I've been tasked to create a training video that'll teach new employees how to make text bold, italic, and underlined. This is the perfect use case for TechSmith Camtasia. You're trying to show how awesome Camtasia is. The trial already expired. You're trying to record the screen. What do? Well, TechSmith just made their Camtasia editor available for free. Nothing to download, no credit card required. You just go to their website, and I want to show you where that is. So I'm going to my browser. The address you want to go to is techsmith.com/solutions/screen-recording. And once you do that, you'll end up on this screen where it says there's a free online screen recorder with audio available for you. Now I'm going to click Start the Recording Now, and what that's going to do is take me to an area inside TechSmith's website. You'll have to log in with an account, so you are required to have an account, but that's free. And then once I'm inside, I get the option now to record my screen, record my camera, or record both. Those are those three icons on the left. Now I just want the screen, so I'm going to click Screen. And I'm going to be prompted to give permission from my Mac to Camtasia so it can record my screen. Now, the option to share the screen is preferred in this instance because it is possible in Microsoft Word when I'm doing my recording that a window will pop up. And if I say share just a window, these dialog boxes that pop up may not get recorded. So I'm going to say allow to share screen. Confirm it by clicking share entire screen. Now I'm being asked about my microphone. I'm going to allow it, but I have no intent of actually recording my microphone. So I'm going to disable it. I could record the microphone. I just don't want to. Again, I don't want my camera. I do want the screen. And before I click Start Recording, I'm going to scroll down this list of background assets that they give me. And I want this one, just because it looks a little different. You pick any one you want. Now, when I click Start Recording, I'm going to get a 5-second countdown. Normally with the Camtasia recorder, you get a 3-second countdown. I'm going to get 5. And just before I get to 1, I'm going to switch to Microsoft Word. So I'm going to click Start Recording, and you get the 5, 4, 3, 2. Let me minimize. There's my Word document. I'm going to highlight this word and make it bold. Again, I could be recording my audio. I just didn't. Make it italic. Double click this word. Make it underline. And I'm done with my recording. So I'm going to switch back to the recorder and click stop. Now I'll press play. Let's see what I got. Look at that. Get the word bold. Get the word italic. Get the word underlined. I love it. Didn't cost me a penny. Now you'll notice at the end, you're going to see me application switch, which I don't want in my recording. So I'm going to need to trim that last little bit out. Watch this. See there? I didn't want to show the Alt tab. So I'm going to click trim. And what I'm going to do is just use this green marker here to take out what I don't want. So you get to decide what you keep and what you don't keep, you see? You also can come to the edge here and pull this part out. That little bit of nonsense with my mouse. Maybe pull that just a little bit, you see? I'll click done. Now I'm going to save the project by clicking where it says untitled, and I'll call this my first recording. You can give it any name you want. And last but not least, I'm going to export. So I want to show you the export options here. I'll click export. And you can download the full Camtasia editor. Of course, you'll need to subscribe to it after the trial. You could download the project. This is perfect if you already have Camtasia on your computer. Or you can export the project directly to Screencast. And then once the project is on Screencast, you can share the link out to your users or your customers. I'm going to go ahead and close this option. So there you have it. That is a quick look at the free Camtasia recording feature available at TechSmith.com.